Hey everyone, Scott here. Welcome to New Tech Old Toys. Hey, today I'm pretty excited. I've been waiting a long time, a lot of us have, for the GoPro display mod. Color, mini HDMI, flip up screen for your GoPro. Stick around and check this thing out. It came pretty quick. I just got the notice in the email a few days ago that it was available from GoPro and it shipped right away. Here it is. Made it all the way from Kentucky to California. That's a pretty box. I do like that. That's a sharp look. That's a very sharp look. It's going to be a great vlogging camera. It has a built-in battery in the display, a rechargeable battery. Looking forward to that. Rechargeable. It's got a USB-C port. It is micro HDMI. Alright, let's dive in. It showed up right on the eve of the GoPro Hero 9 being announced with the built-in front-facing color LCD display. Let's look at the GoPro. Now, USB-A to C cables. Very nice. Nice quality cables. And there it is. Some supporting documentation, user guide. It looks like it's going to slip right into the top of the Media Mod cold shoe mount. Okay, well that is very nice. Nicely packaged. You can see it right there. Comes in its own little travel case. Very nice. The opening, the unveiling. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, look at that. Well, that's pretty. Wow. Now that is exciting. It's gonna get the signal from the micro HDMI. And then the GoPro has a USB-C right here on the side for recharging that battery. Really looking forward to this. So let's take a look at adding it. Let's add this flip up. Oh, that's so nice. Display mod to the GoPro. Very positive feel. Super excited for that micro HDMI. Okay, it looks like it's actually charged pretty well. So I'm probably not going to worry too much about that. Getting that GoPro logo. Let's take this camera out of webcam mode. Oh, there we have it. All right. Now that's nice. Well, there you have it, folks. There's the brand new display mod. When the display mod is showing the image on the front screen, the image on the back screen does turn off. And so we'll tap the power button to toggle the display mode, and you'll see the image is back on the camera mode again. Okay, warning, display mod is not waterproof. Well, neither is the media mod, so get ready for that. You need to use the GoPro in native mode if you want to continue using it as a waterproof device. Remember that. Okay, so there you have it. It looks like it's a very simple add-on here. A really nice add-on to have that screen. So an amazing compact vlogging camera system here now. So there you have it, folks. The GoPro Hero 8 Media Mod expansion, shotgun microphone, the display mod, firmware 2.0 to also be able to use this as a webcam. And I've been using it as a webcam with the beta firmware and now the firmware 2.0 for Golly, it seems like a few weeks now. It's been great. I really like it. So stick around and check out the other videos for some useful tips on the webcam configuration, switching around the digital lenses. At least on the Mac now with the firmware 2.0, we can do that. There you have it, folks, the new flip up, flip down screen. All right. Of the GoPro Media Mod. And the screen does recorrect itself when it flips down. Very nice. So it's really just that HDMI pass-through. Super duper nice. All right, I hope you like it, and I hope you find some value. Do click that like button. It adds a lot to the channel. Be sure to subscribe and notification bell. New Tech Old Toys. Useful and creative solutions for your home, office, and personal computing needs. What an amazing little webcam now. It's not been a webcam before, and now in this time of parched resources out there, webcams are hard to get. And here we are with just an amazing webcam now that just totally excels past what your typical store shelf webcam has been for the last 10 years. So amazing upgrade here with the GoPro Hero 8, the new firmware 2.0 for the webcam, the Media Mod with the stereo forward and rear facing shotgun microphones, the display mod. Again, hope you like it. Like, subscribe, notification bell. Thanks again for tuning in to New Tech Old Toys. There are links down below. No sponsorship going on here. There is a small commission from the links if you do choose to use them. Thanks again for watching New Tech Old Toys, and hope to see you soon.